What is up everyone, this is me and I'm gonna talk about Redmi 5 and Redmi 5 Plus and the Redmi Note 5 that might not be coming to this world. So without wasting any time, let's get started. This is the Redmi 5 Plus, the model which is replacing the Redmi Note series, and the amazing thing is the Redmi 5 is also coming with this particular product. So there will be two variants, Redmi 5 and Redmi 5 Plus. So we have the Redmi 5 Plus in this video and we will talk about this device. It supports Snapdragon 625 with 4GB of RAM and 3GB of variant. Its smaller brother, that is Redmi 5, that has Snapdragon 435 with 3GB and 2GB of RAM variants that gonna come up for 7,000 rupees, which is a pretty good thing. Performance on this device is very decent, the design is decent, the display is decent, the touch quality, the MIUI and everything this device has is totally and amazing for 7,000 Indian rupees. It runs on latest MIUI 9 and speed read, you can check on the screen the sequential read, sequential write, random read, random write and everything that the storage board processes. This device has 5.9-inch display with 18:9 ratio. The camera is of 12 megapixel and the front camera is of 5 megapixel, and here are the shots that are taken with this particular device. Guys, this is totally amazing in just 7,000 Indian rupees or $120. Xiaomi is doing very well with Redmi 4, Redmi Note 4, Mi A1 and bunch of other devices in India, but the Redmi series is totally the king of entry-level smartphones, and we people usually look for these kind of smartphones. Those has 4000 mAh battery, good display, a decent camera and the perfect operating system that we every people like, and it has so many customization, and it also runs on the latest entry level Snapdragon processor, which is a bonus up top of the cake, you know, the cream top of the cake. So Xiaomi has released this device in China on December 2017 and this is January 18 and it's gonna come in India very soon. Here are the renders of Redmi Note 5, but these renders were just renders. But let's talk about this. If this device is coming up, then it's gonna be in Snapdragon 625. This is a rendered video and it's a rendered product. That means this is not an original product. This was just a copy that the Chinese manufacturer made just to make a feel that this device is coming up with this kind of design and everything. So you people can consider that if it is coming, that it's gonna be more like this Redmi Note 5, but definitely there are no sources that Redmi Note 5 will come. So Note series is dead for now. We can consider the Note series dead and Plus series is coming up, overwriting that, and the Redmi 5 and Redmi 5 Plus both gonna shine in 7,000 and 9,000 Indian rupees. Thank you so much guys for watching this video, and I'm gonna come up with more like this, and take care guys, peace out, I will see you.